within ABN AMRO self-service BI, we have given it to the departments to use it. So they have their own data sources. They have multiple data sources also within the department that which they want to connect and get BI on top of it. So with the BIP team, this BI enabling block team, it is helping them to enable BI within their department. And so it's a set of experts which help them to have the BI enabled on MicroStrategy. So we are promoting MicroStrategy as the tool to use for their BI. And now what we have seen that this team has really pushed a lot to use all departments using BI, with MicroStrategy. What we say at ABN AMRO is there are always IT and business. So when I say self-service BI, it's that business can do their BI while not coming to IT. So they are self-dependent and they can do their part on their own. So that's more of self-service BI that we think of. Why we say that they should not come to IT is more that they have their own requirements, what kind of data they want to analyze. So they should be self-dependent on doing analysis on top of it. And IT is the only part when it should be more that we need to configure something, we need to connect to more data sources. Once we are done with that, the train is ready, they just get into it and then do analysis on top of it. We have the commercial banking department which is using MicroStrategy, and they started I think 3 years ago with their journey towards the self-service BI. So I would not say that they started with a journey towards self-service BI, but they started with a journey on MicroStrategy. So first they started with their formatted reports and standard reports that they want to give it to the users or their relationship managers at lower level. And it went very well and it was adopted a lot. So then there were more requirements with the relationship managers. They want to do more analysis on top of it. Then they step forward towards the self-service BI part. Now it's a big team also sitting within that department, enabling BI for them. And then this BIP team is also helping them to accelerate it. So the team which is in the department, it's more business centric. And then BIP team is helping them to push this self-service BI to all the relationship managers. And we have seen it has grown and it's adopted a lot within the department.